unavoidable. It just happens. When you grow up, your heart dies.
Hey, Ellie, how long are we in Canada for? How long have you been here for? Like 30 minutes? Maybe 30 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes. I mean, we're talking, we unpacked, didn't even unpack the clothes, grabbed the poles, grabbed the reels, put on some bait, and now we're gonna go fishing. So, we're gonna hit the water. Oh, look at that. Oh, you just love to see it. Honestly, yeah, you need that nice weather for them. Oh, just kidding. Bring her in. Yes! Yes! Oh, got a fish. She's fighting. First fish in Canada. Might need a net. Ooh. This is how the fish in Canada are. Not even hooked, it's on my swivel.
When you grow up, your heart dies.
Who cares?
I care.
How long is our walk, Elliot?
5 hours.
I go with that now, 15.
Yeah, probably 15 minutes. We just portaged over to this lake called Lake Night. It's just south of Lake Aerobus. We're fishing here for the day. The weather's not really the best, but it's good fishing, so it should be a good time.
Well, we don't know if it's good fishing because we haven't started yet.
Well, last time we were here, this was the best lake we fished.
Hey, you camera hog. What's up, you stash bags?
That's all you have to say?
That's all I have to say.
Good stuff, good
The
stuff.
dirty old stash bags.
Alright, shout out Guggen Baits and the boys. What are we using?
Using a little Kraken crawl.
No, we're using Kraken Crawl. We're gonna go get some bass, walleye, and see what we'll hit it, eh?
Keep the lines tight, man.
Oh,
That's what comes through.
Oh yeah.
we're doubling up, boys. Holy shit, boys.
Double in the tunnel lake trout.
I think I gotta be. Oh, no.
Oh, you should have kept saying yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah, boys, doubles. Doubles.
I got mine right here.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Right here.
Bring her in, bring her in.
That looks like a huge.
Hey, want to scoot back a little bit? Scoot back, scoot back. Clean. Yeah. Oh!
Nice one through up.
Today is Tuesday morning. We are portaging over to Whitmore Lake, which is how far? Mile, half mile?
Half mile.
Half mile walk, and it's known for walleye. What else is walleye? Smallmouth bass, perch, northern. It's a smaller lake than this main lake we're on. This is Lake Aerobus. So yeah, we're gonna take a little walk and see how today is for fishing.